Welcome to Carpe Diem Kitchens. Today we are making easy homemade crepes consisting of eggs, milk, butter and flour. Start by adding 2 cups of milk and 2 eggs and quickly zipping it with your mixer. You can also make this recipe in a blender. Then add 1.5 cups of flour, mixing after each half a cup addition. Then add some salt and 1 stick of melted butter. Then zip it for 30 seconds and let it rest for 30 minutes. And now we are ready to cook. Start by greasing up your skillet and be patient here, as it takes some practice to get the pancakes, crepes not to stick and be able to turn them over easily. They can be cooked in 1 minute each per side, and then you can enjoy them with butter, sour cream or jam. Enjoy.